Hey, good morning. It's Dan with the Dan Young Group. And I had a question come in about what's the most important part of the process? Because you know what people don't realize is that on average, there are about 115 processes that are involved if we sell a house or if we're helping a buyer through the process of buying a house. One misstep can have catastrophic consequences to your equity or, to your pocketbook. So it's very important that we stay ahead of the processes and make sure that we're, taking care of everything. It's kind of difficult to narrow down like what is the most important process. But I'll tell you one that I'm always cognizant of and always working on. And the one thing as an agent, I believe that we have control of in the process of selling a home, for instance, it's a function of supply and demand. I think we have control over demand. So yeah, there's some organic growth of the market. It brings some demand for your home, obviously. But what differentiates the agents are the skills that they have and their skills to increase demand for your home. And what I do in that regard impacts both the buyers and the sellers. And that is, I'm always reaching into the buyer's mind and finding out what are the buyers looking for today? Like, what are the tools? So most buyers start their search online, right? They're like 97% start their search online. They're expecting certain things out there. If they go through a listing and they see it has crappy pictures, for instance, well, that dog's not going to hunt. They not only want good pictures, they want other tools, such as they want virtual tours. Okay, those are very important to differentiate. They want drone footage, especially on the larger properties, farm properties, and things like that. They want floor plans. So they want to be able to look at a floor plan, look at the layout, imagine that layout. They want these things available to them in easy to use formats, whether it's on the phone or whether it's on a laptop or something like that. So these are the things that we get into the mind of the buyers and say, what are they looking for today? And then where are they going after these things? So we're always being proactive and saying, where are the buyers going today? And we're doing research because we want to make sure that our listings are top of mind everywhere that the buyers are looking. So if you ask me an important step in our process, it's keeping on top of where the buyers are, where they're looking, and what kind of tools they want, because we want our listings to stand out for our sellers, and we want to make sure that our buyers are equipped with the best tools out there so they can make an informed purchase. So that's a quick answer to that question. Hey, give us a call at the Dan Young Group. We'd love to show you how we use these tools to increase the equity and just maximize the amount of money you're going to get bottom line at the closing table. This is Dan with the Dan Young Group. Have a great morning.